Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today we're going to make a body butter.
Yes, and the recipe we got it online from Nature's Garden, and the name, let me see on my phone here, is from this lady. Her name is Kimberly Sanchez, and she has a lot of cool recipes on her YouTube channel that you can go check it out. We'll put a link on it where we found the recipe. So we're making a recipe today to try. We're not going to tweak or anything. We're going to do exactly what she did and see how it works for us, okay? It's made with water. We want to make body butter with lighter, consistency. So we're trying this one to see how it works. Okay, and then we'll let you know how we like it after too. Okay, Kelsey, so should we do it?
Yes, we should.
Alright, so let's go and show you guys what the ingredients are, okay? Okay, guys, before we start, let's tell you what we're using today. So we have a pot over here with water, and it's been sterilized, washed, and, with bleach and detergent and all the thing there, and then we actually even used rubbing alcohol on it too to make sure that it's super sterilized. And all my stuff has been I did that to all my utensils here. Okay, so we have water. How much water do we have in there, Kelsey?
318 grams.
And then we have shea butter,
45 grams.
and we have cocoa butter here,
38 grams.
and emulsifying wax,
23 grams.
and stearic acid.
23 grams.
And then we have over here, we have our essential oils. We're going to use lavender essential oils today. And how much do we have? 0.25, I think, ounces. And over here, in this little thing, which I already measured, we have Optifen. It's a preservative. Just remember, when you use water, you have to use a preservative. What happens if you don't? It's gonna grow mold, and you don't want that on your face or on your body. It's nasty stuff. So that's why we do that. Over here I have a double boiler. What we're gonna do with this? Well, we're gonna use it for our butters, the stearic acid, and also the emulsifying wax. We're gonna use that for that, and the water too. We're gonna boil the water, okay? So let's start doing this. Let's go and do it. Alright, so we have the water here on our little burner over here, electric burner. And we're going to boil the water. We're going to get it really nice and hot. And then we're going to start melting our beautiful butters and the wax and everything, okay? So it'll take just a second. We'll come back when the water is done. Okay, our water is boiling, so we're going to turn it up. And we're going to put it aside over here. And we're going to put our other double boiler here. And we're going to put all our waxes and everything in there. Onto here. And I'm going to put cocoa butter in there. Emulsifying the wax. I'm going to put the stearic acid. Stearic acid is actually not an acid. What is it, Kelsey?
It's a wax.
Yeah.
Derived from palm.
Exactly. Or another plant. Plant-based. I don't know if this one is derived from palm. I'm not sure. Anyway, here we go. We put all this beautiful stuff in here, and we're gonna let it go and do its thing. Do what it needs to do. Melt. All right. Like I said, everything has to be nice and sterilized with 5% of water and you can use 5% to sterilize everything. You can use 5% solution of water and bleach, or you can use alcohol, you know. You can use isopropyl alcohol, like this one over here. Okay. So I'm gonna wait and see how this goes. Okay, and we're gonna wait and see how it melts. Okay, so now I transferred the water in this bowl over here, and I have all my oils and the stearic acid and everything in here. So we're gonna put them in here now. Now look what happens. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. They become kind of white. I'm going to try to get all the goodness in here. The beautiful butters in here. And we're going to mix them. And see what happens, because we never made this before, so we're making this with you guys all together. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. It looks like milk. It's milky. Okay, so I'm gonna whip it up a little bit. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. Because I think that's what she said, right? We watched the video, so see what happened. Temperature right now is at 132. So we want this to get a lot cooler than that. I'm gonna whip it a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cool down and come back to it and see how it looks. It's supposed to be under, let's see, it's really hot now, 109. So let's it cool down. Okay guys, I had to switch to my hand mixer because the other one, my stick blender, is too strong, and I don't have a selection for the speed on it. On this one, it's my old one. So let me use this one and whip it up a little bit, okay? As you can see, it's looking really good. It looks like whipped cream. It's beautiful. It's really nice. And we didn't put the fragrance oil, the essential oil yet, or the Optifen. We're using Optifen because we like it, because Optifen doesn't have parabens, right, Kelsey?
Nope.
And a lot of people don't want parabens in their in their stuff. So, but you have to use a preservative for making lotion, body butter, anything that contains water. Because like I said before, what happens if you don't? Well, it's going to start growing mold and other bacteria that you don't want in your lotion or body butter. Oh, look how nice this is getting. But we gotta wait until reach temperature 100 or less, so it's not gonna kill the preservative, because it'll burn out if you put it in there. It's like, never put it in there. It has to be a cooler temperature. Okay, and we are there. We are 98 the Fahrenheit here degrees. So let's do that. Let's put this beautiful. Let's put the preservative in there. I'll put the preservative in there first, because I do not want to forget about that. Also, can you give me a little spatula so I can get all the goodness in there? And get a little spatula here, we can get all the preservative in there. We want to make sure that we got all of it in there. And this was like 5 grams, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I want to make sure that everything goes in there. I think it was almost 6. And the reason why it got a little bit more, because sometimes, you know, it gets a little bit, gets stuck in here in the container. I know I should have put it in right in there, but oh well. Like right in the bowl, but that's okay. Okay, so let's mix that in. And now we're going to put in our essential oils. And like we said before, this is our lavender 4042 essential oil. Alright. And we got like about 0.25 ounces, right?
Yep.
You can use less, you can use a little more. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure this is all nice and mixed up. See, it looks kind of like whipped cream. Again, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit more. Gonna whip it up, and then I'm gonna put it in jars, and it's gonna thicken up more. That's what I heard. It's gonna thicken up a lot more. That's what they showed us on their video. So let's see what happens to our stuff here. Sorry about the banging here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's very nice. It's nice and whipped beautifully. It's not super white because we used organic shea butter and organic cocoa butter, and there's a little bit of a yellow in that, so it's kind of like a ivory color. It's very beautiful. It looks amazing. It smells really good. I guess you can smell the cocoa butter. It's kind of like a little chocolate and lavender. It smells like a chocolate lavender. That's what it smells like, because it's organic, but no body butter. What I meant to say, it's organic cocoa butter, so I know it smells a little bit like chocolate. So, okay, so these over here, I'm gonna put it in a couple jars, like these over here. And these are gonna be for us and friends, maybe, if they want to try it and see how it performs. So I'm gonna put them in here. Okay, so I'm gonna get something to help me out with this to put it in there, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, there you go. Yeah, there you have it. We got our body butter over here, and this one is scented with lavender. And like you know, we showed you, it's made with water, and you can find the recipe on our, you know, we're gonna post it on our on this video on the info box down here. And but you can find the original recipe on the Nature's Garden website, I believe, and also on their YouTube channel. And you can see the other lady making it, and that's what I got it from. I didn't tweak it on anything, but I think I'm going to be using different kind of butters still, like my mango butter, because I like it a lot. And not just, you know, cocoa butter and shea butter. We're going to experiment with other butters too and see what we like the most. But this one looks very, very nice. What I made about 8-ounce jar over here. This is about 8 ounces, and this is about 5.5 ounces over here. So that's what we got from a 1 pound recipe. It smells really nice, so I can't wait to try it. We're gonna do a little, let's get a little spoon, and let me take my gloves off and try it. Let's see how it feels. Okay, guys, so let's see how it is. It's already thickening it out a lot, and it's been like only a few minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes. And look how thick that is. Look at that. It's really nice. It's beautiful. Oh man, it feels so silky. So let me put it on my arm here. Show you guys. See over here? I did get a lot of it, but it doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel greasy at all. It feels beautiful. Oh man, I'm gonna use it tonight. Oh my gosh, this feels luxurious. Okay, so if we like it, and it seems like I do like it, I'm gonna make a lot more. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably put it in the shop, and you guys can buy it from us if you live right here in the Puyallup and Bunny Lake and Buckley area. So this, we're gonna have like a week. We're gonna try it and see if we really like it, and we're gonna make a lot more of this. So there you go, our light body butter with lavender scented. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you want to help us grow with our business and our channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. And let me know if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, or just, you know, we're gonna make soap all the time, of course, but this is something else that we do too on the side. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.